discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Jeep Wrangler. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this compact SUV hits the mark with consumers demanding economical versatility. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.